Good day. Today is October 31st. Good morning to all of you, whoever you are, whether you are in Paris, in Europe, or in Dubai. We have a time difference. Now, Wilhelmina, based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. The time here in Brisbane is 7:36 in the evening. In your end, maybe it's morning. Or in Dubai, very early morning. So we have a time difference. I just want to greet everyone a pleasant good morning to all. Now, I know you have not seen Wilhelmina. There was a buyer or a buyer's agent was asking me, Wilhelmina, I haven't seen your live video. And I told this buyer's agent, I am watching the movement and I'm busy watching and reading the current event about the movement of gold. Now, last week, the price of gold was down. So everybody is on panic. Last week, the price of gold was 3,931.97 per ounce. So everybody was in panic because the price of gold is down and the dollar was devalued. So the price of gold and the price of dollar has also changed. When the gold is down, the dollar devalue. When the price of gold up, again, inflation. So if you really want this business, gold business is very lucrative business. And my head office based in West Africa. My head office based in Bamako, Mali, Conakry, Guinea, and Sierra Leone. They produce gold direct from their mines, but they are not selling cheap price. They are selling based on the world market. Now let's talk about proper business. When you search gold for your business, I know you are a jeweler manufacturer. I know central bank needs gold. Everybody needs gold. Why? Gold is the world asset. Gold is to protect your asset. Gold has many uses. So therefore, gold is the world highest demand in the world. Everybody needs gold. Without gold, there would be no gold bullion. Without raw materials, there would be no jewelry. Without the raw materials, which is Doribar, there would be no wedding rings. There would be no jewelry. So therefore, you as the gold trader, you need the raw materials. Where are the raw materials coming from? Africa. 98% raw material, precious mineral coming from Africa. Now you're a small gold trader, right? And we are the exporter. Wilhelmina, authorized by the company that who produce gold direct from his mine. The seller is also sick and tired dealing with a fake buyer pretending to be a buyer, asking CIF cost insurance and freight. Gold is not like that. You need to have a contract between us and how many quantity you need. Before you're gonna travel, you need to be prepared. I'm gonna ask you, show me your credential. I want to see your business registration. I want to see a copy of your importation license. I want to see your passport copy. I want to see the proof of fund. And I want to see if you have money laundering certificate, whether your money is clean or not. Because today, everybody now changes. The government is awake because most of the gold has been smuggled into different country. Most of the gold in Africa is smuggled into Dubai to clean it, to refine it, and then they're gonna distribute it to their own customer. That is not my business. That is not my task. My task is to tell the world that my seller produced gold direct from the mine. We have tons of gold. But how are you able to get this ton of gold if you don't have capital? You need to have a capital. You need to be in business in order to make money. If you are just going to leverage, asking us, bring it to your country, bring it to Istanbul, bring it to Hong Kong, bring it to Australia, bring it to Singapore, bring it to China, and bring it to Dubai, we will pay after the gold will be Aussie. That is a very dangerous transaction. We don't do that. You never know you are a criminal. A minute that the gold is in your hand, you can deny it. It's better we need to have a contract. Who you are. Then you will receive the seller mining license, export license, etc., etc. But before you're gonna see my seller credential, Wilhelmina will gather your credential because I am the extension of the seller. I am going to validate you. I'm going to examine your paperwork. I'm not going to release my seller's credential unless you come for live video conference because I'm going to interview you before you're going to show me your credential. My interview is very simple. Just like when you apply for a job, you need to have a resume. Your resume is your credential, whether you are really a buyer or not. That's right. So, when I interview you live video call and you're scared to open your camera, to me, you are not a buyer. You are a syndicate. You're scared to be exposed. You don't need to be scared because Wilhelmina is here live. Those gold traders scared to be interviewed live. To me, you are not a buyer. Maybe you're a smuggler. You're scared to show your face. If you are really professional buyer, you don't need to be scared. You don't need to. You don't need to be scared. You don't need to show. You don't need to be scared to show your your face live video call because this is the way we gather. This is the way I'm going to screen the buyer. We have the gold. You have the money. We can do business. Now, we don't deal with CIF, cost insurance and freight. We don't deal block fund. We don't deal SBLC, standard letter of credit. We don't deal escrow. This is FOB, bank to bank. Now, before you're going to get FOB, we need to have a contract, who you are. I need to see your credential. How many quantity you want? What mode of payment? This is FOB, bank to bank. You don't need to send money to my head office. You need to travel based on your order. You ask the gold. Then when you taste the gold, that is the time you do say, okay, let us proceed because your contract is subject for inspection. Okay? You don't need to transfer the money. You only inspect when you're happy, then we can proceed. Then you make a payment, a commitment, down payment, not upfront. Because if you don't pay down payment, you wouldn't get the gold. So there is no upfront here. So once you pay the down payment, you will receive commercial invoice that's your down payment. You're given a receipt that you paid the gold, the down payment of 30% or 40%. So it depends on the transaction. It depends on our discussion on the table when you travel with Wilhelmina. Okay? So you're going to meet the seller. I'm going to take you to Africa. I will determine which seller I'm going to take you, either in Mali, Conakry, or Sierra Leone. So do not travel without invitation. Do not travel unless you are well prepared. Do not. Because if you travel, somebody offer you, you travel, go for it. Because I can guarantee you, you are going to encounter disaster. Now, there was an Indian from Dubai. I think I mentioned this to other person, and also I mentioned that on my previous video. There was an Indian, and he was been dealing with fellow Indian. Okay, that fellow Indian, they went to Mali, and she come to Mali. There's plenty of gold. Correct, there's plenty of gold in Mali. Mali is the third largest gold producer in West Africa. So this Indian, they went to Mali, and when they arrived in Mali, they were in trouble. And I told them, I think your name is a ring a bell to me. Say, yeah, well, Amina, I watched your video for 2 years. All right. And I'm here in Mali. Wow. Well, Amina, I need your help. I said, no, I cannot. You have been dealing with seller, and you know Wilhelmina, and I mentioned that do not travel unless you are well prepared. Mhm. Disaster. So I refused to help him because I'm not a policewoman. Another buyer went to Sierra Leone again, and they were been dealing with fellow Indian. There's a lot of Indian in Africa. They think they can get gold easy. They think they can hand carry the gold easy. Now this fellow Indian, he was dealing with the Indian that have license to uh, to be an agent in Sierra Leone. Okay, so they get, I think they get 25 kilos. They paid taxes, so they put the gold into their backpack. They hand carry. Mhm. So when they travel from Freetown to Lungi Airport, because you have to take a ferry, the gold was missing. Mhm. I think even it was hand over to him, and maybe it was being switched off. And the father almost killed himself, both father and son. And the son called me, Wilhelmina, I need your help. Don't come to Wilhelmina. You already know me, and then you go behind my back because you were being offered cheap price. What happened? Disaster. My dear, gold is not cheap. Another buyer from United Kingdom. Again, exactly the same. He go behind my back. What happened? Disaster. Mm. So, my dear, your eyes is bigger than a prophet. And you are crook. Why I say this? You are crook? Because you're not following the rules and regulations of the government. You cannot take the gold out of the country unless properly done with the export documentation. The government will issue the certificate of clearance. So that seller that yours did not give you the certificate of clearance, of course, you're gonna encounter disaster. Now, last week, as I've said to you guys, the price of gold was down. Everybody's on panic. And I told him, you don't need to be panic. The gold will bounce back. So last week, if you have been watching, the gold was down. It is for your advantage. You should purchase that gold last week that the gold was down to 3,931.97 per ounce. You multiply that to 32.15. Okay? Now, I'm gonna give you the answer. Last week, the price of gold is 3,931.97 times 32.15. This was the price last week per kilo. 126.41,000. See? 126.41.28. Can you see that? Okay. Per kilo. Mhm. Now, today, the price of gold is 4,020.75. 4,020.75 per ounce. Yeah? in dollars term is 129 to 84.47 per kilo. Mhm. This is per kilo. Now today, you can buy while the gold is down. Now we are not selling to you 129 to 84.47 because that price is already refined. That is called 99.99. Now, list that one on 129 to 84.47. Our selling price less 5%. Sometimes we give you 7%. Or if you're really serious and you convince Wilhelmina, I might consider to renegotiate the price for you, provided you convince Wilhelmina that you are really serious buyer. Now, how are you gonna convince us in order for you to get a good price? Because you are buying directly to us. You're not buying to a chain of middlemen. You're not. You are buying direct to us. Wilhelmina is the extension of the seller. So I can renegotiate the price for you, right? Instead of roaming around to a chain of broker and then you're paying your broker, right? Instead, you deal with Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina will assist you to renegotiate the price for you. Maybe I can give you more than 7%. But don't bank on it because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. Right. Now, you need Wilhelmina to be with you on the ground. You have two options. I will gather your information, then we can have a contract between the head office and you. Wilhelmina will monitor your movement. Wilhelmina will review your information, your credential, and you will receive the credential of the seller when you confirm your order during the interview. Okay? Now, when I receive your credential, a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund bank statement that you have over $1 million on your order. Minimum of 20 kilos. Right. Our selling price today is 118,500 per kilo. Let's say 118,000. Okay, 118,500 times 20. Okay? Let's say I'm gonna remove the 500. 118,000 times 20. Do you have this? Hmm? 2,360,000 on 20 kilos. I don't think so you have this. That is why you're asking CIF, cost, insurance, and freight only. And then when the gold arrive in your destination, then you are going to run away. No, you're not going to run away. You need to travel. You need to inspect before you pay. You need to make a down payment of 30 to 35% on the total sale value. Okay? So there is no upfront here. You would not get the supply for your business if you don't have 2,600,000. Right. So you need to have a capital in order to get the profit. You must remember, Mr. Buyer, you open a shop in Gold Souk, it's $1 million capital. You have a shop, you need a supply, right? And if you don't have a capital, how are you going to open the shop in Gold Souk? This gold is coming from Gold Souk. This is already refined. Where the gold coming from? The raw materials from Africa. I purchased this in Gold Souk, in Dubai when I was in Dubai. Now, going back to two options. Which one you like, Mr. Buyer? You need Wilhelmina to be with you in order to assist you. Instead of 5%, I might give you more than 7%. More than. But don't bank on it because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. Instead of 118,500, I might consider $110,000. But don't bank on it because you have not convinced me. This is only pre-conversation. I'm just giving you the hint because I am charging you my extra service. That is why I'm giving you more than 7% because I am charging you $20,000 to cover my travel cost to be with you. So which one you like? 118,500 or $110,000 per kilo? Which one you like? So I've given you a lot of discount already. What is $20,000 to you? And you get this profit. Okay? When you resell it to your end customer, you get a profit. You sell it to Dubai 2%, you get a profit. I am giving you a very big profit. My seller said, well, Amina, why are you giving this buyer good discount? And I told him, give the buyer a leeway. Then second shipment, we will review the price. So Mr. Buyer, you're lucky that you're watching this video. We were really flexible. You don't need to deal with chain of middlemen this time. You don't. Now, once again, Mr. Buyer, the price, it fluctuates. And whatever the price, our price also change. But don't panic. I am here with you. So just come for live video call and open your camera. Do not ask for procedure because the procedure is already on this video. Subscribe and click below. Read it. Read paragraph by paragraph. And I'm going to put the price of the day today, October 31st. The price, the price, the price. Because the price of gold, it changed. So just come on my platform on Facebook so that you can view, because time to time on my Facebook, I always update the price. Okay, Mr. Buyer? So now, why you are going to buy gold, Mr. Buyer? This is my question. Well, you are in business. Gold is profitable. Right. I had a network from Turkey and he attended gold exhibition. My network, his name is Ramesh, and I have a live video call with Ramesh. And Ramesh was saying, my gosh, Mrs. Ford, I'm here, the gold exhibition in Turkey. And he meet this Indian jeweler from India attending the symposium. And I said to Ramesh, follow up them. Ramesh is my network. And he is my business partner in Turkey. And I said to Ramesh, don't rush. Let them be hungry. And he attended the conference, the exhibition. I have a video call with Ramesh. And Ramesh really trusted me. And I even mentor Ramesh. And I said to Ramesh, this gold business, you need to be patient. Because there's so many buyers are bargaining. Don't be carried away. Price is price. We give them a leeway when the buyer really convinces us. Ramesh was saying, you're right, Mrs. Ford. Of course, I'm always right. I've been in this business since 2011, and I also encountered disaster. Yes, and I learned out of it. Now, why I'm promoting Africa? Why? When I was in real estate, here in Brisbane, when we sell property, we are now advanced. Everything now is online. But Africa was behind. Mhm. The owner of the company saw my profile. And they hired me. They asked me to come to sit down with them. It's really very simple. There's so many crooks in gold business. I told them, you were being disadvantaged. and this foreigner, they come to your country, they wanted to become multimillionaire. Fair is fair. And one seller was saying, yes, madam, they underestimate us because we are black. And I told him, you don't need to be scared of your skin. Go, God bless your country that you have lot of gold. Tell this foreigner, yeah, we are black, but our heart is full of gold. This is what I have told the seller when I was in Africa during the meeting. And they were really surprised. Mm. And this seller that they saw my profile, I really don't need them because I live comfortable. I was on real estate many years ago, so now I'm retired. I love to help Africa. I love to help buyers. I love Africa. I'm not African. I was born in the Philippines. I'm Australian. I live in Brisbane. So don't think that I am African. Yeah? I love Africa because I've been to Africa. I've been to Mali. I've been to Sierra Leone. I've been to Conakry. There's a lot of problem as well. So now, 2025, we almost ending 2025. Now, going back to my services, you're using me to get the gold. Now, if you bump this video, you're lucky. If you don't have a capital, at least you learn. You need to have a capital. You don't need to shortcut. To shortcut is very dangerous. You are going to burn your fingers and you are going to burn your pocket if you shortcut. Don't believe on say, oh, pay taxes. Don't believe it. You are going to be in trouble. You are going to be trapped. If the seller say, oh, here's my gold, pay taxes. Don't. Because that seller, once you send the money to him, he will switch off the phone. I know. It happened to one of the buyer that he paid the gold to the seller. Disaster. So don't. It's better you follow the golden rules. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, where is the procedure? The procedure is on this video. Click below, subscribe because time to time, I updated the price. Now, I seldom come to YouTube channel this time. I prefer to be on my platform on Facebook because you can see picture to picture there is a message. Read the message on my platform on Facebook. The footage that I was in Africa. Deal with Wilhelmina. I can assure you that you will get the gold. But do not go behind my back. There was a buyer from United Kingdom. He's really very traitor. He betrayed me. But what happened when he betrayed me? He failed. So do not betray me because you are going to encounter issue. Now, do not betray me because I'm going to expose you. To me, those buyers, the traders, gold trader, Black Wilhelmina, I'm a scammer. I'm not. I'm not a scammer. They blog me, good on you. One buyer from United Kingdom, they bully me. And I send him a letter from my solicitor, from my lawyer. Don't bully Wilhelmina. You know that my services is not for free. You know that. My services is non-refundable. If you want gold, you bump into this video. If you don't like to deal with Wilhelmina, at least you see what necessary requirement you are going to get from the seller. Because the seller would not explain to you like this. Now, why you want to buy gold, Mr. Buyer? Gold is the preservations and gold has the value. There's a saying, he who has the gold makes the rules. Who makes the rules? The owner of the gold, not you. Who makes the rule? The government. Because the government will scrutinize the owner of the gold. The government would not give the owner of the gold certificate of clearance that he paid the taxes to his government. So you need to pay taxes as well. So our selling price, 118,500 today. And you're gonna say, well, what is the tax? Don't worry about it. Come. I will explain to you when you come for live video call conference. Now, as I said, I don't send procedure no more. If you don't click below, then you are a failure. And if you're a joker broker, at least you learn out of this video. Now, there's a lot of joker broker, they blog me that I'm a scammer. I don't know. I live comfortable. And I don't scam anybody. Those joker broker who put my name on anything, who blog me, I wish you good luck, my love. Because if I'm a scammer, I wouldn't show my face. Only the scammer is scared to show his face. Why? Because I'm going to expose him. Yeah. There was a buyer asked me not to show his picture, not to show the video. Yeah? So don't abuse Walamina's kindness. I don't care if you blog me. I really don't care. Yeah. As long as my conscience is clean, I'm happy. That joker broker who blogged me or the buyer who blogged me is evil. You don't need to be evil because Walamina is here to help you to get the supply. There's a saying, he who has the gold makes the rules. Remember that. Yeah. Gold is money you're buying. You're not buying leveraging. You're not buying CIF cost, insurance, and freight. That is normal. You have to ship the gold. That is normal. You have to pay the shipping cost. That is normal. You have to insure the gold. Yes. Why are you asking for CIF cost, insurance, and freight? To me, you're a smuggler. You're a gold launderer. That is the reason why you're scared with Wilhelmina. You don't need to be scared with me. What for? I'm not a criminal. Maybe you are. Because why are you scared to open your camera? Why are you scared to show your credential? To me, you're not a buyer. You're a joker buyer. Excuse me. This is a disclaimer. Yes, you don't need to hide your face. I'm not hiding my face. Huh? It's better you guys to be honest. You don't need to believe those joker broker that Wilhelmina is a scammer. I'm here. If I am a scammer, I wouldn't show my face. Yes, I'll take you to the office. My guest, my seller is more multi-millionaire than you. My seller owned the building. My seller is debt-free. And you're asking CIF. You don't have the money. Gold is cash. Gold is king. Right. Without the supply, your business would not function. Now, going back to gold, there are two kinds of gold. Refined and unrefined. Refined means 99.99. There is a hallmark. It's called refined. Now, you're not buying refined because the price of refined today is 129,284.47. Refined, you are buying unrefined, which is Doribar. Unrefined, you buy unrefined from Africa, produced by my head office. Then you can refine it to make into jewelry. You can refine it to make into wedding ring. You can refine it to put the spare parts on mobile phone. There is gold. Spare parts, a lot of uses. You can refine it into medical uses. So if you are just a small timer thinking, oh, madam, bring the gold to Dubai, we will pay after final asset. To me, you're a bullshit. Excuse my language. Gold is not for bullshit. Gold is real business, my love. Go on the world market. The price of gold changes every minute. Now, I'm going to go on the world market so that you will be aware that Wilhelmina is telling the truth. Just bear with me. I'm going to go on gold. Okay? Because the price of gold, it fluctuates. Now, the price of gold now changed 4,015.57 per ounce. Use your calculator. Okay? Now, the price, the money, now it's 129. 103.48. Still 118,000 and Doribar. So now, Mr. Buyer, which one you like? How many kilos you want? Where you coming from? Okay? Because your business would not function without supply. We don't bring the gold to Italy, huh? We don't bring the gold to Germany. You need to have a contract. And those joker brokers says, I have a buyer from Germany. Create a group chat because I want to interview your buyer. Oh, madam, I have a buyer from Australia, from Melbourne. And one of the my network from Nairobi, and he gave me the name of the person. When I contacted the person, she's not a buyer. She's another time waster. Mhm. So she said that she has a buyer. Okay, which one? So I told her, this is not for you, really. Mm. Because I'm very strict. I don't deal chain of joker broker anymore. What a waste of time. We are here to do business. We are not here to do monkey business. Gold is not for monkey business. This is a real business. All right. So I think I already explained to you, my dear. Once again, if you don't have the supply, you are going to fail. What's Burkina Faso? Burkina Faso, you wouldn't get the gold in Burkina Faso unless you pay cash. It's already refined. You wanna buy refined? Yeah, we can refine the gold. Kankamusa can refine. Mali can refine. Yes, we can refine. But how are you able to pay? Because Mr. Buyer, when you use the facility of the refinery, there is a cost, $150 per kilo. And then you're dreaming, so you have no idea. If you're really a gold buyer, gold trader, you know the business. You should not deceive yourself. Mr. Joker Broker, this is not for you, really. Don't come to Wilhelmina to learn and you said, Wilhelmina, teach me. I'm not here to teach people. When my seller hired me, my seller didn't teach me. They hired me because I am experienced. I've been in marketing for 36 years, buying and selling exactly the same. You have to pay for it. There is no free in this world. I've given you knowledge already for free, worth $1,000,000. But when I travel, it's different scenario. Because I am charging $20,000 to be with you. In return, I'm going to give you a very good deal. I'm going to bargain on your behalf. Now, next year, when the price goes up, of course, my services goes up as well. Right, I'm going to charge you $25,000. Now, you wouldn't be able to get the real supplier. There's so many offer, go for it, and you are going to encounter disaster. Mr. Buyer, which one you like? To pay extra service and you get more discount instead of 5%. I might give you more than 7%. Come for live video call. Let us discuss, but open your camera. Do not say hello. You're gonna say, well, Amina, I watch your video. I am Mr. So-and-so. I've been searching for gold for many months and I have encountered disaster. I call that disaster. You need to tell me so that I would know, so that I could listen to your needs, so that I could assist you. But if you're gonna say, hi, hello, I am the buyer, my gosh, you are not a buyer. You're not a buyer. Hi, hello. My name is not Hi, hello. If you're a buyer, Wilhelmina, I'm Mr. So and so. I'm from Germany. I'm from Australia. I've been searching for gold. I know the price of the gold. Wilhelmina, I want to order 20 kilos to start with. Fine. That is the way you do introduction. That is the way when you buy products. When you apply for a job, you introduce yourself. You are applying to purchase. So who you are? How do I know your name? So you are applying to purchase gold in Africa. So don't be scared. Open your camera. Because when I ask you, can we talk live video call and you don't open your camera, to me, something wrong. Something wrong with you. What you gonna be scared for? Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Good morning to you. It's evening here. It's 8 o'clock in the evening.